I used to spend hours jumping between 3 or 4 different tools just to get one single project done. I would have one tab open for research, another for data analysis, and a third one just to try and visualize my ideas. And it was exhausting, expensive, and honestly a total mess. But I just found a way to collapse that entire workflow into one single interface. Just last week, I had a client report due, and my old process of moving files between tools consumed up to an hour of my time. But then I tried this AI tool, which is called Dola AI, and in fact, I used the Pro mode of this AI tool. That same workload was done in literally just 30 minutes. By the way, Dola AI also has this desktop application, so you can just install it on your desktop. Even better, the high-end pro features are actually free right now, and that gives you access to latest AI models, something like Seedance 5.0 without any subscriptions. So today I'm walking you through the entire workflow so you can see exactly how it works. So let's just dive deep and start using Dola AI right now. So let's start with a scenario that almost every single professional faces, which is the data dump. I have this massive and very messy CSV file which is full of raw data. It would normally take me hours to clean and interpret this data. So instead of manual sorting, I'm just going to drag and drop this file in here. So you can see I've already uploaded this file, and then I'm giving it this prompt, which is analyze the data and generate a report. So let me just quickly give it this prompt, and now it is going to analyze that data and then generate a report about that data. Later I can even create like graphs and charts as well, but for now let's just generate the report for this data. I also added this same file on this desktop application, and there you go. In literally just few seconds it presented this report. Dola AI is not just reading the text, it is basically performing a deep analysis of the variables, and in just seconds it provides a structured breakdown of exactly what the data is about. But here's the best part. Now I can ask it to package that analysis back into a clean downloadable result file. So I'm just giving it this prompt, which is turn this report into a clean downloadable PDF file. So let's just click on enter, and now it is going to turn this report into a proper PDF file. Just look at it, how fast it is. So basically I have just turned an hour of spreadsheet thread into 30 seconds of work with no copy pasting or reformatting. Now the raw data is great, of course, but if you are representing to a client or a team, you cannot just like show them a list of numbers. You need visuals, and instead of me going into a design tool to manually build a chart, so I'm just going to give it this prompt, which is take the data we just analyzed and generate an interactive HTML page. Now I'll just click on enter, and now Dola AI is actually going to convert that data into this HTML page. You can see it has already started writing code for us, and there you go. Our high quality, high end HTML presentation is here. It presents this messy data into this high quality detailed HTML file. It even has this search filters as well, so I can filter my data based on the rating, based on the service availability, maybe based on the highest and lowest reviews. So this messy spreadsheet has just been turned into this clean, nice HTML, very presentable data actually. Again, this is not just like a static image. This is a fully interactive page that you can use in presentations to actually engage your audience. If you're a freelancer or an independent seller, being able to send a client a custom interactive report instead of a boring PDF is a massive competitive advantage. So Dola AI gives you that competitive advantage. Now let's test one more scenario with a practical writing task. So I need a comprehensive report that covers current trends and potential risk and a 5 years outlook. So a standard AI might give me a few bullet points, but when I trigger to Dola AI's Pro mode for this report is going to look very different than what we'll get from a standard AI. So I've just entered my prompt. Now I'll just press on enter, and there you go. You can see right now it is conducting this research. It is searching on all of these different keywords. It is not just going to generate like some AI slop, some like random content. It is actually doing its own research on this topic and on different keywords. It is looking for different sources as well. So you can see on these 4 keywords, it is conducting research on 24 different sources, and overall it has conducted research from 54 different sources. So first it conducted its research, and now it is building this report right in front of us. This is a well structured, well reasoned document, and there you go. You can see it has added these graphs as well for better presentation. And finally our high quality report is ready. This is fully interactive report. You can see I can interact with all of these visuals. This is a proper interactive report based on real actual data available online. This is a kind of report that you can actually submit in a workspace or in an academic setting. This is the difference between a tool that just chats and a tool that actually produces. All of this is powered by the latest AI models integrated directly into Dola. It is one of the most impressive feature in this suite. This is the most advanced and upgraded video generation model. You can just describe here what sort of video you want. You can also provide a reference image. You can also choose the video duration and also the aspect ratio as well. So let's suppose I need a high quality video about this topic. So I have just entered my prompt, and I'll simply just click on enter, and now it will generate this video for me. And there you go, just like that our video is ready, and this video has sound as well. Let me just quickly, now I think we can hear the sound. Perfect. This is a proper high quality video with of course sound, and there are different sound effects. There's a background music, and also this video has like multiple camera angles. It does not look the AI generated slop. So there you go. It looks really nice by the way. So there is no extra setup. You can just like chat with Dola AI and it will generate videos and even images as well for you directly. For image generation, Seedance 5.0 Pro is officially available on Dola AI. If you just click on this AI creation tab and on this image section, if you just click on this Seedream 5.0 Pro, so it might be automatically selected to Seedream 4.5, but you can switch to Seedream 5.0 Pro and generate an image using Seedream 5.0 Pro. So let's suppose I'm going to give it this detailed prompt, and I have already selected 5.0 Pro, and now I'll simply just click on enter, and now it will create this image using Seedream 5.0 Pro. And there you go, you can see our images are ready. You can see it has created 4 different images, and just have a look at the quality of these images. These images just look next level realistic. The details on each and every single image is just mind-blowing. Both of these models, Seedance 2.5 and Seedream 5.0, are now available inside Dola environment. So before Dola, my workflow was 4 tools, 4 tabs and files moving back and forth for like 3 hours. And now this is just one single workflow: upload files, analyze data, generate interactive visual pages, and produce professional reports, images, and even video assets as well. So the reason I have integrated Dola AI into my daily routine is simple. It reduces the friction to finish. Also, Pro Mode is currently free to use, so you're getting cutting edge AI power that usually costs $20 to $30 a month. So if you're tired of the tab switching fatigue, so you can access Dola AI Pro Mode right now through the link in my description. It is an exclusive link that will get you straight into Pro environment, so you can start uploading files and generate your own interactive pages today. So stop wasting your time on the boring parts of your work and let the AI handle processing and visualization. So click on the link below to check out Dola AI and see what Pro Modes can do for your workflow. If you have any further questions, just leave your comments in the comment section, and I'll see you next video. Bye bye.